How hard is it to change the fluid on your CVT transmission? Are CVT transmissions really that bad? Did I bite off more than I could chew? I have no idea what I'm doing. I hope this is how you do it. There is some metal, but not too bad. Everything is drained, ready to pull the filter. Then clean it up. Then we can put the new one in and put her back together. Sprayed it with brake cleaner and replaced the filter. Let's get this baby button back up. Warning. Make sure you don't over-torquey the bolts or it will strip the aluminum block. Time to put in the drain plug and fill her with transmission fluid. Almost forgot the secondary filter. Looks like I wasn't the first one either.
Probably never been changed.
What do you think? Think it's ever been changed?
Got this thing cleaned up, filter cleaned up.
Now we can get her back together and filled up.
Alright, good morning here. We finished up on the Spark. It's pretty easy because I had the lift. Pulled it up, dropped the pan, pulled out the filters. Everything's running really good now.
Light acceleration test. Medium acceleration test. Heavy acceleration test.
Slower pull.
If anyone is looking for a reliable daily driver, this 2021 Chevy Spark is for sale. Please like, share, and subscribe for when I post a new video.